How to change YouTube appearance on desktop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the appearance option you see there. Now, further, go ahead and select your desired theme, and with this, the appearance will be changed. You can simply tap on any of the available options in order to change the theme. So, this is how you can change YouTube appearance on desktop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.